Hi, this is your Professor Sudha Parambil evaluating a function. A function g is given by g of x equal x square plus 5 and we need to find g of negative 3, g of 0, g of 2, g of a plus h and g of x plus h minus g of x whole divided by h. So let's look at the first question, g of negative 3. So instead of this x we have negative 3. So replace this x with negative 3 and evaluate. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9 plus 5, that is equal 14. G of 0, so replace that x with 0. So 0 whole square plus 5, that is 0 plus 5, that is equal 5. G of 2, so replace x with 2 square plus 5. So 2 square is 4 plus 5, that is 9. Next question is g of a plus h. So instead of x we have this whole thing a plus h. So replace this x with a plus h. So a plus h whole square plus 5. If you want you can expand that like a plus h times a plus h plus 5 and you can FOIL that. So multiply by a then multiply by h and you can expand that. If the question doesn't say anything, you can leave your answer like this or expand this and simplify. Last question, we need to find g of x plus h minus g of x whole divided by h. So g of x we know that is x square plus 5. G of x plus h, that is replace this x with x plus h. G of x plus h is x plus h whole square plus 5. If I simplify this, that means if I expand this, that is x plus h times x plus h plus 5. Then FOIL that. So x times x and x times h, then multiply by h. So it will be x square, then xh, then hx plus h square plus 5. xh and this is x h times x, that is same as writing x times h. These are like terms, so you can add those. So you will get 2 times xh and we have this x square and this h square plus 5. So this is g of x plus h. So now I'm going to replace this with this value. So that will be x square plus 2xh plus h square plus 5 minus. So this whole thing is g of x plus h, and now I'm going to write minus g of x, that is x square plus 5 whole divided by h. Make sure to put the parenthesis, then you have to distribute the negative, this minus sign. Okay, so this negative is for both the term coming after that. So it will be minus x square minus 5. So now x square cancel, 5 cancel, and 2xh plus h square is left divided by h. We can factor out h from the numerator. Then these two h will cancel. Or if you divide each term by h, like 2xh divided by h plus h square divided by h, you can simplify like that too. So the final answer is 2x plus h. Now let's look at one more example. F of x is given. We need to evaluate f of 4, f of 0, f of a, f of x plus h, f of x plus h minus f of x whole divided by h. So f of 4 means instead of this x we have 4. So replace this x with 4. So 6 square, that is 1 over 36. F of 0 means replace this x with 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 square is 4. So 1 over 4. Now replace this x with a. So 1 over a plus 2 whole square. You can rewrite this as a plus 2 times a plus 2. So a times a square. A times 2, 2a. 2 times a, 2a. 2 times 2, 4. These are like terms. So add those two. That gives you 4a. So a square plus 4a plus 4 in the denominator. Now f of x plus h. So replace this x with x plus h. Now expand this and simplify. Multiply x with each term inside this parenthesis. Then take h and multiply each one. Then take 2 and multiply each one in the parenthesis. So x square plus xh and hx. Those are like terms. So that makes it 2xh. Then x square. Then 4x. Then 4h plus 4. This is the final answer for f of x plus h. Now part E. If this is f of x, we need to find f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So first I will replace this x by x plus h. So this will be 1 over x plus h plus 2 whole square minus, now I need to write f of x, that is 1 over x plus 2 whole square whole divided by h. So this is same as writing 1 over h times 1 over x plus h plus 2 square minus 1 over x plus 2 square. We can simplify this by making the denominator same. So denominator should be same as the LCD. So this one we need to multiply the top and bottom by x plus 2 whole square, and this side you need to multiply top and bottom by x plus h plus 2 whole square. Now you can see the denominators are same. So you can write under one common denominator. Now expand and simplify the numerator. So if I expand x plus 2 whole square, that is x square plus 4x plus 4 minus, if you don't know how to expand this, you can work that separately, like x plus h plus 2 times x plus h plus 2. Then take x and multiply each term. Then take h and multiply each term. Then take 2 and multiply each term. And then add or subtract the like terms. So x square plus xh plus 2x. Then I have hx plus h square plus 2h. Then 2x plus 2h plus 4. I can add these two, that makes it 4x. And this is 4h. This is 2xh. So that simplified form I have written here. That is the expansion of this one. Now distribute this negative. Then each term will have minus sign. So x square minus x square, that will cancel. And 4x and 4x, that will cancel. And 4 and this 4, that will cancel. Then you will be left with negative h square, 2xh and 4h. Now you can see h is common factor, so factor out h and it will cancel with this h. The final answer is negative h minus 2x minus 4 whole divided by x plus h plus 2 whole square times x plus 2 whole square.